Good morning from Fire Wrench Garage. This is Phil. Today we're going to be looking at something that I've put together. You'll be seeing here in the video and doing a review at the end. And what we're looking at today is a Vevor lift. So this is an engine hoist from Vevor. I picked it up online, of course, and had it shipped out. So welcome to today's video, the assembly and then review at the end, or maybe towards the middle, we'll see, of what I think about this engine hoist lift. Enjoy! Alright, this is my review of the Vevor engine hoist. It was not complicated to put together. It was pretty simple. The issues were that the hardware that came with it wasn't the right stuff. None of the bolts were the right length. There was not enough bolts, especially down here where these pins are. These are not supposed to be pins. Those are supposed to be bolts. These bolts I had to go out and buy because they did not come with it, and there is no other bolts in the package. The inside, or mounting the wheels on, that's kind of a chore. You better be pretty your dexterity's got to be good for that to happen, because it's kind of a nightmare getting those in, and that's not only on the two supporting legs that come down, but also the wheels down here at the bottom. Those are not fun to put together. The other thing that happened is the actual cylinder that came with it. Even though I filled it up with oil to the proper level, it was basically DOA. So I went out to Harbor Freight and picked up a air assisted one. So no need for jacking, you just hook it up to your air compressor and it lifts itself. So that's kind of actually pretty handy. The other thing, this also came with it, the tilt adjustment, whatever. A lot of that didn't come with it either. None of the bolts here, the little clevises, none of that came with it. So I went out and purchased that separately. Other than that, I was able to, you'll see in an upcoming video, get the engine out of my 2001 F-150. So you'll see that in action there. That is my review of the Vevor engine lift and my thoughts on it. Have a great day.